Welcome to this tutorial on how to see pre-market data using the Moomoo app. To get started, make sure you have the Moomoo app installed on your device and that you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up to access pre-market information. Once you are logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. You can enter the stock symbol you are interested in or explore the available options. After selecting a stock, you will be taken to its details page. Here you can find all relevant information about the stock, including price movements and trading volume. To view pre-market data specifically, look for the option labeled Pre-market or Extended Hours on the stock details page. This section will provide you with the stock's price and volume during pre-market trading hours. Be sure to note the times for pre-market trading, which typically runs from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. If you would like additional details, Moomoo also offers charts and news related to the stock. By utilizing these features, you can better gauge market sentiment and make more informed trading decisions. Remember to keep an eye on the market opening, as pre-market trends can sometimes change significantly once the regular trading session begins.